to see how it looks. Thumbs up. What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're viewing me for the first time, hello, my name is Steph Bassos. So lovely for you to stumble upon my channel. And if you know me for a while, hey, thanks for coming back. So you may or may not know, but it's almost June 21st, which happens to be the summer solstice, also known as the longest day of the year, also known as the first day of summer, also known as warm weather's hopefully coming to Canada. Probably not, but like a girl can dream, you know? So summer solstice, midsummer, Litha, or as I like to call it, Litha, because it's the brightest day of the year, so it's lit. So yeah, no, all right, my jokes are still terrible. So the summer solstice, why does it matter? Why am I making a YouTube video about it? Why are you wasting your time watching this video? Well, hold on, you're not actually wasting your time because I got some wisdom for you. Because the summer solstice is the longest day of the year, that means that there's a lot of solar energy going around. And if you think about the sun, what kind of energy does that hold? The sun is actually a masculine energy. And when you think about masculine energy in a metaphysical point of view, masculine energy tends to be very direct, very on point, very, I gotta get shit done, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's also very explosive and strong and linear, whereas female energy tends to be more like soothing, like a container. Let's think about this, let's plan it, let's nurture this, whereas masculine energy is like, let's get shit done. So the good thing about this time of year is that it's a great time to get things done. It is a great time to work on those New Year's resolutions that maybe you didn't have so much success manifesting so far throughout the year. This is also a great time of year because the sun is shining, there's more fresh fruits and vegetables, everything just seems so alive. Take a look into how you're feeling. For the most part, you're gonna be feeling really great with all this solar energy, but if there's any mental, emotional things that are kind of coming up, it could be because this sunlight is constantly beaming on us. And so what that means is like when we have light coming into our subconscious, it kind of brings shit up that we try and hide in our subconscious. As well, this past Monday was a full moon, and that is gonna be reflecting the light of the summer solstice and just like shining all that shit into our subconscious, which is again, illuminating things that we need to work on, things we've been pushing away, things we might not necessarily want to deal with. So this is also a great time to not so much get so introspective, but to kind of look at yourself and say like, hey, this is what I need to work on. This is what's coming up for me. Let's deal with it. Let's go. Vitality, masculine energy, boom. Once we start to get rid of all this like negative emotions and all the stuff that's hidden in our subconscious, that's where we have that victory over emotion, which is what we're looking for, because when you have that victory over your emotions, you have inner peace, which is so amazing. That being said, yeah, it's a time to put in a lot of work right now. Now's the time to start that business. Now's that time to start that good habit. But also too, like, remember, this is the most beautiful time of the year. So go out with your friends, enjoy, go camping, go hiking, enjoy your time outside, enjoy all the fresh, beautiful food, eat more salad, save your ramen noodles for the winter time. You don't need those right now. And just have that balance between work and fun and work and play. So I have kind of like a little bit of a ritual or a spell or a ceremony that you can kind of perform to bring this energy into your life. So simply all I need to do, wake up on Friday, June 21st, you're gonna grab a cup, you're gonna fill it with water. Then you're gonna put that water into your windowsill and allow it to just absorb the water throughout the day. Once you're complete with that, you just take the water and you drink it. Simply invite that solar energy into your body, fuel all of your cells with that good energy. Now, if you want to take this one step further, you know exactly what you want to work on. You want to start that new business and you want to gain 5 new clients. I have something that you can do for that as well. What you're going to do is you're going to take that cup of water and you're going to put a piece of paper underneath it. Now, what you're going to do with that piece of paper is you're going to write down what it is that you want to manifest. This can be anything from a new romantic relationship, health goals, fitness goals, a new business goal, maybe you just want to not be a piece of shit, whatever it is. Just write down that affirmation or that wish onto the piece of paper. But one of the things you don't want to do is put something negative in there. So for example, like if it's a romantic relationship that you're looking for and you want someone who is positive and loving in your life, then you could say, I attract positive and loving men into my life who support me and love me for who I am. You don't want to be like, I want a guy who's not gonna just f me and run away. That's pretty much common sense. So once you write that on that sheet of paper, like I said, put it down on your windowsill, put the cup of water on top, allow the energy of the sun to just illuminate that water. And while the water is sitting on that piece of paper, it's also invoking that energy that was weird. It's also invoking the energy that you wrote onto the piece of paper. So it's kind of being infused with both. Then at the end of the day, what you're gonna do, just simply drink that water, infuse that into your soul, allow your soul to be nourished with that positive, beautiful energy. If you have any more questions about like why you should do this, you can check out the previous video that I made all about Dr. Emoto and the studies that he did on the effects of water and how we treat it with our energy. So that's it for me, guys. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with all of your friends. If you did learn something, obviously share it with other people, because this isn't really info that you get like in elementary school or high school or post-secondary school. And I think it's really important that we connect in with the seasons and with nature, and we use that to our benefit, because we are beings of nature. We're not separate from nature. We are a part of nature. We just choose to separate ourselves from nature. So if we work more with these kind of energies like the summer solstice, the winter solstice, the equinoxes, astrology, all these things that surround us, probably for a goddamn reason, I think we'll live such better lives. So thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye.
I know it's up for me. You still want sunshine, making sure I'm not.
All you need to do this, do this.